Hello friends, welcome back to Laravel tutorial. We are discussing some quick tricks on array. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to add any element into the beginning of your array. Okay, so let's see. Suppose we have an array like this. Suppose this is the numbers array. So first we will do with a normal index array, then we will do with the associative array also. Okay, so this is the array. Suppose we have a 10, 20 or 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, now I want to add some new elements into the beginning of your array. So simply just print this. First let's see how its array coming. Printer, and let's see this. Now just refresh, we are getting this array. Now I want to add suppose 5 into the beginning of your array. Okay, so for that we can use the Laravel helper function. To use the Laravel helper function, we have to include the illuminate support array into your controller. Okay, now just use the function to use the array, and we have a function that is prepend. Okay, and I want to prepend something into the numbers array. First pass the array name, and then I want to add 5 into your array. Okay, now store this into the numbers. Okay, and now if you just refresh this, you can see the 5 into the first element of your array. Okay, so this was simply the index array. If you want, we can do the same things with the associative array also. Suppose my array is like that. So student is the array, and here the name, John, email, something, age, something, right? So this is actually the associative array. So let's print the associative array first. So simply just write the student here. Okay, so this is the array. Now I want to add some ID into the beginning of my array. So simply I am just taking into the same array name and just use the array and use the prepend function. Okay, and first parameter will need to add the array name, then my value, suppose value is 1, and the key will be the ID. Now just go and refresh this. So we are getting the ID is added into the beginning of your array. Very simple. Now Laravel provide another things. Suppose I want to add some prefix into my array. Means for everything, suppose ID, so I want to add a prefix, the student.id, student.name, student.email. So easily we can do this. Okay, so how we can do this? Simply to add the prefix into your array, simply use another array variable, another array functions, that is prepend keys with. Okay, this is the function to add the prefix. So simply just pass the student array, and I want to add student into the all case. Okay, student dot. Now if I just print that things again, so now store these things into here, student equal to this, and now if you just refresh this, you will see all the key are added with some prefix, that is student dot. So simply refresh this, we are getting, my first array was the ID, name, email, and now the second array is added student.id, student.name, in this like this. So we can add any prefix into my array keys. Okay, so using simple the prepend with keys. Okay, so now we can understand how to add in the beginning of your array. So we can do the same things with the index array, we can do the same things with the associative array. Also, if you want to add any prefix into my array keys, we can add with these things, that is the prepend with key function. Hope you can understand this video, and still if you have any queries about this video, please comment in a below comment section. Next day we are going to discuss about another quick tricks on array. So keep in touch, and please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.